Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for the overwhelming love, support and prayers at this difficult time. I live in Kozhikode, which is in the north of Kerala and closer to the hill station Wayanad, which was affected by floods and landslides. Here in the city of Kozhikode, there were floods and landslides and many had to be evacuated as their houses were flooded. The area I am residing did not have much issues as the water receded pretty fast. But the areas most affected were in central and southern parts of Kerala. Towns and cities like Aluva, Kochi, Kottayam, Chenganur, Kuttanad, Pathanamthitta were some of the places which were badly affected. I have close relatives, cousins and friends in these affected areas. Rail and road link from north to south Kerala were cut off, which is now partially restored. More than 9 lakh people are in rescue shelters. The rains have stopped, the water has receded, and the next biggest hurdle is relocation to their homes, which has to be cleaned. Many volunteers, young and old, has come forward, and cleaning and rehabilitation is on war foot. One thing I personally noticed is that children are deeply affected as their books, certificates and things related to their studies has been washed away in the flood waters. And yes, counseling and reassuring them is also a big task. People all over the country and the world has poured in their support through relief materials, donations, or even just lending a helping hand. We are so grateful for the immense love, support and prayer from you guys at this hour. Yes, we will overcome this as we have your support and prayers as our strength. Something which I noticed today was that the private bus owners here in Kozhikode was not collecting tickets from the public today. In fact, they were just passing around a small bucket where you can put in your contribution instead of paying for the bus ticket. This is just a small example of how much love we have towards each other in our society. You may have heard of other real stories of even children handing out their pocket monies or the money they collected to celebrate Bakrid and Onam. Here in Kerala, the harvest festival of Onam is the most anticipated and celebrated festival, and the state government has cancelled all celebrations of Onam, and the money kept aside for Onam celebrations will be donated to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. And once again, thank you so much for the immense love, support and prayers you guys have shown. Please do contribute and help as much as you can. The link to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund will be updated below this video. Thank you all once again. Jai Hind.